Hi everyone, if you're new here, I'm Eileen, and in my channel you'll always find quick and easy recipes. Today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious honey chicken recipe. I start off by rinsing my chicken and pat drying it. I used chicken thighs, but you can always use chicken breast as well. I went ahead and cut them into 1 to 2 inch cubes, only because I want them to cook a little faster, but you could also leave them in strips. I then placed about half a cup of cornstarch and seasoned it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Then you're going to toss your chunks of chicken into the seasoned cornstarch until everything is well coated. I then place 2 tablespoons of butter in a hot pan and cook my chicken. You could also deep fry your chicken chunks, but I personally prefer the butter because it gives it a nice buttery taste. You're going to continue to cook and toss until these become nice and brown and crispy. If you need more butter, go ahead and add it to your pan so that it can continue to get crispy. You want your chicken to have this consistency where it's nice and brown and crispy. To make your honey sauce, in a bowl you're going to combine half a cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. And a pinch of salt. Go ahead and mix this honey mixture until everything is well combined. A little bit of this honey sauce goes a long way. I ended up not even needing all of it for this recipe. Once your sauce starts to bubble up and thicken up a little bit, you're going to go ahead and add half a teaspoon of ground ginger. Continue to stir and toss your chicken in your honey sauce for another 3 minutes. This recipe is so easy and yummy to make. Your family will love it. You could also add some sesame seeds on top. If you made it around this far, I want to thank you for sticking around. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. Thank you.